In this video, we will demonstrate the creation of backend API and use it with the form elements. First, let us create a form. We have a text field for the user to enter an expression, and another text field to display the result of the expression. The idea is to have the user enter an expression in the input box, and hit enter to get the result of the calculation in the output box. Notice that in the input text field, we check the box API input. And in the output text field, we check the box API output. We will leave this workflow here and create another workflow that serves as an API. This workflow is a regular workflow with a simple Python component to evaluate an expression and return the result. The difference here is that we are enabling this workflow as an API. Let us copy the link and go back to the main workflow and paste it to the first text box. Essentially, when we have the API link, the form will call the API each time the text box is changed. The result of the API will then be used by other elements of the form that matches the name of the result. In this case, the output text box is set up to receive the name, result, from API calls. That's it. Let us test it here. If I type 10 and hit enter, 11 will show up in the result box. We can enable this workflow as a traditional web app and test it there as well.